Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to stop ads on YouTube. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your YouTube application on your mobile device. It can be iPhone or Android device, so it doesn't matter, the steps are the same. And then at the bottom right you need to click on the U button. First of all, you need to make sure you logged in your account, and then scroll down until you find this list of options, and then you need to find Get YouTube Premium option right up here. Then you will see this interface. First of all, you need to read this message and then click on the blue button, try 1 month. So you will get a YouTube Premium subscription for free for 1 month, and after that you will be able to watch YouTube videos without any ads. And that's all, and that's only one way how to stop ads on YouTube. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.